This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Charming Perry home in Shadow Creek Ranch. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence offers an open, split floor plan and a custom screened patio. Relax in the spacious primary bedroom, complete with a primary bath featuring double sinks, a separate shower, and a tub. Enjoy the roomy family room, elegant formal living area, and a large utility room with extensive storage and a clothes drying rack. Act fast, this one won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.